Hello, I'm Eddie McGill with Rose's Daughters, Packing and Moving Solutions. Rose's Daughters is here to help you move. And with that, we have all the supplies that is needed for a move. Because supplies are actually very important in how we pack things. Sometimes it's for efficiency, and sometimes it's really for the precious cargo that is held in a box. We pack in a way that we know the movers are going to be loading the truck. And we pack knowing the things we are packing are going to arrive at your home safely. So we have all of that. We have bubble wrap, we have packing paper, we have different size boxes that we need because we are there to move everything that you need to have moved, and we're going to be prepared for that. We also have safety in mind, and then at the destination, where are we moving you to, we're going to unpack those boxes and we're going to put everything away. I know it sounds great, doesn't it? But we do that. We put your dishes in the cupboard, we put your lamps back together, we hook up your TV, we hook up your computer, and we even hang art for you, which is another thing. We come with all of our own hanging supplies. You don't need to worry about that either. And then we take all of those supplies away, so you're not having to deal with that either.